So here we go, we have just touched down in Miami, immediately off to the first event, of course, starting with this display of rare birds, it's called. So we got this 997 GT3 RS 4 litre, absolutely stunning, beautiful colour as well. Got a Mini, what looks like an E36 AMG Cabriolet. So next up we've got this Speed Yellow Carrera GT, looks absolutely fantastic. By Turbo S with an aero kit, Trans Am looking pretty cool. And then of course the Singer. We've got Singer and Singer, 21C here, all opened up with that crazy tandem seating position. Looks absolutely nuts. Excited to see some of these things on the road. And then the Singer Turbo Study. Get a little look at the engine in here as well, I think. Absolute masterpiece. And then Singer Classic in quite a bold specification. Orange on orange. But works out here, I think. And then I have to show you this pair just here. How incredible is the spec on this Lamborghini Diavolo SV? Beautiful metallic dark red with the chrome wheels, works so well. And then here we have an AMG 6 litre Hammer prototype. That is just incredible. These things costing double the price of a Ferrari Testarossa at the time. Absolutely wild. It's looking like a good start to Miami Car Week. Audi short wheelbase Quattro here. M5 Touring in Techno Violet. A Venturi race car, that's pretty cool, didn't expect to see that. 911R, 996 GT2, and even a 997 3RS in Vesuvio, which is sort of a dark purple. That looks really, really cool. And then the madness continues over here. We've got the most Miami spec Continental R, that looks great. And then a Mercedes McLaren SLR. This design has just not aged. Absolutely fantastic. In silver as well, one of the best colours for it. M3 E30, Ford RS200. I'm told this has driven a load of miles to get here, which is really cool. Roof RT12S, also in purple. That's super cool. And an RCT. And another RT12S, this one in quite a vibrant green. So I just had to give you a little tour of some of the stock here at We Are Curated before the MODA event kicks off. We've got Lamborghini Diablo GT, beautiful rough 993, green interior on that. This is one of the maddest Porsches I've ever seen. This is a Gembala Avalanche wide body bi-turbo speedster. That is just nuts. Lovely yellow dials on it as well. 550 Barchetta, got a 355 Challenge, another Barchetta. Of course, all of these with the gated manual. More Diablos than you can shake a stick at in here. 512 TR, one of the most beautiful spec Murcielagos I've ever seen here. Dark red with the manual. That will be an expensive car. EV110 Super Sport, now sold. Diablo SV, got a Carrera GT. Lamborghini Countach. Wow, absolutely unreal lineup. And then out here we've got some more modern hypercars as well. We've got the 918 Spider, Ferrari F50, Murcielago SV, La Ferperta, F40. Another roof, absolutely beautiful spec on this one. Lamborghini Centenario, just about to take this one out. There's the rear of the F50. And then we've got this one-off Shelby concept, which we're going to have a look around tomorrow, I'm told. McLaren P1. Just incredible in here. Lamborghini Diablo GTR. And then as we head outside, madness continues with the Lamborghini Diablo SE30 and GT. Two of the most desirable variants of the Lamborghini Diablo. That is just stunning. I think it's got to be the GT for me. Let me know which one you guys would take. That white SE30 is so fitting here in Miami though. And another of the gated manual LP640s. These are flying out the door here at Curated. But yeah, let's go take one of the cars out.
Yeah.